Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SushiSwap. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that SushiSwap broke out another falling wedge pattern on a daily time frame chart. And this was my last video that I shared almost 4 days ago with you. And now if you take a look at the live daily time frame chart, then you can see that it was another fake out from this falling wedge pattern. Previous fake out was happening here on 6th of June. And again, the price end for a while broke it out. And now while retesting the previous resistance of this falling wedge pattern as a support the price and could not save this level and re-enter the same falling wedge pattern. You can see that we have now few more extra touch points here. We have few more touch points here, here, and now here as well. Therefore, now we can adjust this trend line in this way, and still it is moving inside this wedge. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you this very massive breakout that is already happened on the 7 day time frame chart from this big and long term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of July 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like the trade setup for NTRN, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup, I shared on 15th of July 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this was the buying zone and sell target zone and stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of SushiSwap. And this is the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, the price line is moving inside this falling wedge pattern. You can see that we had a bounce here, rejection here, another bounce here, and few more rejections here. Almost had another bounce here, and now the price line is once again rejected by the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. Previously, by the way, we were following this support in this way, but recently you can see that while retesting the previous resistance of the falling wedge pattern as a support, the price line has re-entered the same falling wedge pattern that was broken out here almost 4 or 5 days ago. And we now have a few more touch points here. Therefore, I've connected all these touch points as well. And still we are moving inside this down channel. And now we need to break out a slightly higher resistance line as compared to the previous one. And this is the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout from this wedge, we will have a quite long-term resistance zone that starts from 85 cents and goes to 94 cents. That was previously breaking as a support zone here, and now after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance zone. You can see that we got rejections here, and again, it can break as a strong resistance for the price line of SushiSwap. And after the breakout from this wedge, the technical target for the breakout will be here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $2.31. And by the way, before that, we will have another very long-term resistance on that starts from $1.60 and goes to $2. If we take a look at the 7 day time frame chart, then here you can see that this resistance on that starts from $1.60 and goes to $2 had been previously breaking as a very, very strong resistance on here for several months. And here again, it worked as a very strong resistance on even after breaking out this falling wedge pattern. You can see that we got very, very strong rejection. Now, if we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then here we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And after that, we had a nice rally. By the way, from this though to here, it was more than 346% pump, but the pricing got rejected by this long-term resistance zone, and still a very big and long-term move due. And that is a target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern. And that technical target can be here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between $25 to $30. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.